I spent about 4 days at this reservoir where I saw many species. I'm going to share a few with you in this segment. First, I would like to say something about the American coot, a bird I saw at another park, Occoquan National Wildlife Refuge at Woodbridge in Virginia. This blackbird with really bright red eyes has captured my attention for a while, and I always wanted to take a good shot of it. I finally did. Here are a few fun facts about this lovely bird. They, American coots don't have webbed feet like ducks. They instead have broad lobes of skin. They are social birds that live in flocks. Last but not least, these birds are monogamous and mate for life. And here's the star of last week's excursion to the pond, Ruddy Duck. Female ruddy ducks lay the largest eggs relative to the body size of any duck. Male ruddy ducks during mating season beat their bill against their necks to create bubbles in the water. Also, ruddy ducks sleep on the water. Fossils of ruddy ducks have been found that are almost 11,000 years. Here is another beautiful bird, the killdeer. This bird's name comes from its call that sounds something like kill D or DDD. Killdeer have special defense tactic when faced with danger. They pretend they have broken wings to lure their predators away from their nests. The one bird that I saw so many of, like in the hundreds, were the common mergansers. The word merganser originates in Latin. It means plunging goose. Common mergansers are carnivorous birds. They eat fish, crustaceans, worms, and amphibians. And with that, I'm going to leave you with what I captured last week. Take care, everybody.